having to wait for your NetSuite pages to load. Sounds frustrating, right? Whether you're a longtime user or just getting started, dealing with a slow system can really kill your productivity. But what if you could change that? What if your NetSuite experience could be a breeze? It's a common misconception that slow NetSuite performance is just something you have to live with. The truth is, many of the bottlenecks are within your control. Optimizing NetSuite isn't just about tweaking a few settings. It's about adopting smarter habits and understanding how the system works behind the scenes. By making a few key changes, you can transform your daily workflow, making it faster and much more efficient. Dashboard performance. Let's start with your dashboard. It's the first thing you see every day, so it needs to be snappy. The key here is to simplify. Avoid using too many portlets and keep the ones you do use focused. For example, a custom search portlet showing all open sales orders can be a performance killer if you have thousands of records. Instead, create a more specific search, or better yet, use a SweetQL query for greater efficiency. Also, be mindful of how many saved searches you have running on your dashboard. Each one adds to the load time. Saved searches and reports. Next up, saved searches and reports. These are powerful, but they can also be the biggest culprits for slow performance. When building a saved search, always be as specific as possible. The more criteria you add, the smaller the result set, and the faster the search will run. Think about what you really need to see. Do you need to see every single transaction from the beginning of time, or can you filter it down to the last year? Limiting the date range or a specific status can drastically improve performance. Also, avoid using complex formulas in your search criteria or results. These calculations can slow things down, especially when dealing with large datasets. Instead, consider using native NetSuite fields, or even custom fields that are populated automatically. Scripting and workflows. Finally, let's talk about scripting and workflows. While they automate tasks and save you time, poorly written scripts can bring your entire system to a crawl. A common mistake is using client-side scripts to process large amounts of data. This can lead to a long wait time for the user. Whenever possible, use server-side scripts for heavy lifting. Additionally, ensure your scripts are only triggering when they absolutely need to. A workflow that runs on every single record update, even when the changes are minor, can add unnecessary strain. Be strategic about your triggers and conditions. By focusing on these three areas, your dashboard, your saved searches, and your scripts, you can make a huge difference in your NetSuite performance. These aren't just quick fixes. They're best practices that will lead to a smoother and more productive experience for everyone on your team. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.